All right, there it is. Finally, after like 2 months, I finally got it. Box was not in awesome shape. It was packaged pretty well for the most part, but the box took a little damage. And you probably already know there's fairly cheap controllers. Truck's actually a lot larger than I thought it would be. A lot more detailed than I thought it would be. Interior is pretty detailed out. I had to put the mirrors on, little lights here. Headlights work, and put these decals here as well. But I mean, you got a full bed there, rubber tires. It's only 2-wheel drive, even though it's listed on their website as 4-wheel drive. I knew it was 2-wheel drive, but it's still listed on there as 4-wheel drive. This right here, just flip this down, is actually a little 2-cell LiPo 7.4 500 milliamp, and it comes with just a little USB charger to charge it. I didn't run it on I don't have it on a full charge just yet, but it's actually not too bad. Proportional steering. It's a little glitchy, but it works. Again, 2-wheel drive. It has this nice little whine to it that sounds kind of cool.